Wonder Woman SmartJar. HDFC Bank SmartWealth App's Wonder Woman SmartJar feature is here for you to attain financial freedom using this easy-to-use DIY app. You've been playing smartly with numbers and finances, be it your own household budget or a company's balance sheet. Now, this feature helps you manage your wealth independently and spend as if no one is watching. It not only empowers you but unleashes the saver, manager, and the investor in you. No dream is too small to let go, and no dream is too big to achieve. Wonder Woman SmartJar realizes this and helps you create wealth for different dreams. There's a provision for guilt-free splurge so that you can buy your dream diamond set without any regret. For those wishing to break the glass ceiling, there's Career Level Up. If you aspire to create a unicorn, Aspiring Entrepreneur is there to fund your dreams. And if you are carefree types and want to live the life your way, then Your Freedom Your Way will put you on the right track. All that you have to do is to choose a specific smart jar or dream, and the app would provide a tailor-made mutual fund portfolio to pursue your dreams with smart, effortless, and seamless investing. Smart investing gives you money. With money comes power, choice, and freedom to live life on your own terms. But dreams don't wait. Download the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app today to realize your dreams smartly.